hidden corner of Hong Kong's biggest island, we coasteer a Lantau Peninsula and discover a colorful shore. This is John and Fern. Welcome back to episode 4 of the Water Adventure series. We are here now in Sat Big Reservoir. We're gonna go do some coasteering today.
Yeah, we're gonna be down in the southwest of Lantau Island. We've heard actually from Wing He, who was on our first episode. She's highly recommending this place. I've never been before. And George, great news is I've got your pink armband.
What?
So you're gonna be safe on this one. Come on, let's get going.
Let's go. Summer has come and the weather is getting hotter, so we are taking a break from the mountainous trails and finding activities closer to the water. With almost 500 kilometers of coastline and plenty of gushing streams and waterfalls, Hong Kong has lots of energetic things to do that will keep you outdoors without overheating. In this series, we take on 10 water adventures that can all easily be done in one day. In this episode, we go coasteering along the beautiful coastline of Pak Kok. We take a taxi from Tung Chung MTR station to Shat Peak Reservoir, then follow the Lantau Trail Section 8 up to the water catchment. After 30 minutes walk, we find a hidden path that brings us down to the beach and start the coasteering adventure. But before we get started, let me jump into the sea and cool myself off. These armbands aren't helping my image. Hold on. There we go, much better. Compared to the coasteering we did in the first episode, Pak Kok is a lot more technical with large gaps between rocks that requires basic climbing skills to scramble up the ledges. It is also known as the 7-color shore, as the rocks over here contain mine roads that give it a different hues. From here, you can look out directly to Tai Long Wan and see the other side of the peninsula. Halfway round, we meet a friend of the show. Can you recognize me? Of course. You hear that? You hear that? Give me 5, give me 5. Yeah! DJ! You know George's name, Being the most popular presenter of the show, it is inevitable that I will have more fans than the other presenter. But sadly, the laughter doesn't last long. In order for us to progress to the next stage, we need to jump into the sea and swim. We reach the other side and climb up back to the top of the peninsula along a small ribboned path on a burning hot day. Turn on the air conditioner. It's too hot here. Once we reach the top, it's a pleasant stroke back down to Shat Peak Reservoir, from where you can take a bus back to Mui Wo or Tung Chung. So that's the end of this episode. A really tough journey. It's so hot today.
It's been very hot, and this has been a very technical coaster. The swimming unfortunately wasn't particularly good because of all the junk in the sea, but we did get a little bit of swimming, a little bit of coasteering, and a fair bit of walking. We've done now 8 kilometers, so a good hike. So
a short hike. Yeah.
Some thanks.
Kylers, thank you. We love your stuff, especially the shoes.
Yeah, the shoes are really important, and of course the Free Not Feel bag, which we'll have kept our drone and our phone and other things dry. They're great bags for coasteering. For now,
my name is George.
My name's DJ. We have ice behind the camera here, and this is John and Phone.
Loading up. There's that.
There we go, son.